Tell me who ran. No, I'm standing right here.
Nobody ran. I'm not the bus
Put your hands in the back.
You said we was sitting on paper.
What is y'all doing?
What is y'all doing?
We can pay
What
for
is
the
y'all
fare.
doing?
We can pay for the fare.
I told
We
you
can pay for the fare. We can pay for the fare. We can pay for the fare. We stood right here, nigga. We stood right here.
What is y'all doing?
Who ran?
What is y'all doing?
Get your hands off that boy. Get your hands off that boy.
Why is y'all treating us like crap? We did not tell them no. I told them I wanted to go pay for it. They snatched us up.
What's your name?
My name is Nalaya Wilson.
Freeman.
We are being harassed by the police. We are being harassed by the police. I have Buster. I have This is police brutality, bro. There's no way to happen. Not for $3, bro. $3
What is your name?
David Kirby. He's a liar. He said I ran away and I stood in place. I said, no, fuck you. Fuck you. I want your supervisor. I don't want your supervisor. I stood right in fucking place. So fuck you, nigga. Fuck you. My dad, fuck you.
This is police brutality.
Get their badge number. Get their badge number. Get their badge number. Get their badge number, gangster. Get that shit. Get that shit. No, fuck you, nigga.
Nobody ran.
Nobody ran from them. We was about to go back out. What am I saying?
They didn't run the name.
What am I
They
saying?
didn't do nothing. They just put us in shackles. And we got the
This is illegal.
They broke